Homeowners, here's the easiest DIY you've ever done. Want to test your electrical system's safety mechanisms to prevent electrocution? Follow these steps. Step 1. Right? That's it. One step. Well, you do need to press the reset button, but that's not really a step. Anyway, the point is, your GFCI or ground fault circuit interrupter outlets are installed in kitchens, laundry rooms, bathrooms, exteriors, and other high moisture areas in your home. If they detect a power disruption, such as when an electrical current passes through water, they trip and shut off electricity, preventing deadly shocks and electrical fires. Over time, GFCIs can fail without warning. If it doesn't trip when you press the test button, you'll instantly know that you're not protected. Taking literally 2 seconds to check can literally save your life. Now tell me that's not the easiest DIY you've ever done.